My baby is asleep and I probably have an hour to make something before he wakes up. So we're making a book from this Amazon toy catalog to place in the ephemera page of my December journal. This is a low-effort, junk journal-inspired, and relaxing way to add unique ephemera to your December journals. If you're curious about this pre-decorated journal that the project will end up in, I recommend you check out my December journal setup video. It will be linked in the description below. So to kick this project off, I'm going to create a mini book using the magic binding method with a piece of wrapping paper. Next, I'm going to cut out a few images that I think would be nice to collage with from the catalog. I'll play around with the arrangement of each page and each piece without any real rhyme or reason. I also have a stash of scraps next to me that I didn't end up needing to use. But all in all, this is a low effort, low stakes journaling session, and I hope you all enjoy seeing it come to life. And there you have it, a mini book decorated with an Amazon catalog. If you're new here, my name is Bree and I share creative journaling inspiration to help you document your life. If you found this video inspiring, consider checking out my other videos. And I'm self-publishing a book soon under 1134 Press with more creative journaling inspiration featuring works of other artists in the community. It's called The Archivist and will be available soon for purchase. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.